Hey friends, if screen recording is not working in the sniping tool, then here's what you can do. Search for sniping tool in the Windows search bar. Click on app settings in the right pane. Now scroll down, terminate the process. Repair it, wait till you get a tick mark here, so we'll wait till then. If this doesn't help, then you can reset it. If that doesn't help either, then straight away uninstall it. It will need a few seconds to uninstall. Then search for store in the Windows search bar. Go to the Microsoft Store. Search for sniping tool here. Go to sniping tool. Click on install. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.